Good sealing of surfaces and transitions in a bathroom is necessary to create watertight tiling. We achieve this by applying so-called sealing paint. Sealing paint therefore forms an important part of our waterproof tiling system. It's applied to wall floor joints, vertical shower angles, pipe outlets and floor drains. Our 683 Fibrecoat is a moisture-resistant, fibre-reinforced sealing paint that's easy to apply in one go. To ensure good adhesion, it's important to apply Fibrecoat to an even and pre-treated surface. The fibre-reinforced 683 Fibrecoat comes with a brush and can be used similarly. Apply a layer of Fibrecoat with a minimum thickness of 2 mm. This layer thickness is necessary to ensure watertightness and absorption of stresses. Apply in strips at least 10 cm wide. Make sure you close the corners well and no hollow areas are formed. If necessary, use a corner in combination with the supplied brush. Also apply a good opaque layer to any pipe outlets and the floor drain. For corners and gaps larger than 10 mm, we recommend using 0.63 Euroband to reinforce the corners and ensure a watertight end result. Allow a drying time of around 12 hours to get the best end result with 683 Fibrecoat. After drying, the space is ready for applying the tiling. 683 Fibrecoat, the fastest and easiest way of sealing.